don't think it works as well. I can. Yeah, how do you make this swing? I mean, it's so much easier. So how do you make that swing and get the same fancy bass lines on an instrument with only 5 strings? Won't help. So. E7, E minor 7, B5. You have the B5 here. This is B flat. Okay. But are there better ways in order to get the basic groove line I really want so bad? So how about getting closer to the microphone? So. Fuck it. Well, that was fun. So, the progression is a challenge, but I would like to, you know, have a bass line that is a little more interesting. So this one, the D minor here is D minor 7, D minor 6, and D minor B6, and move like that. And maybe it would sound funky if you used another uke. I'm on a mission. Because that handmade high-quality monster, I mean, this plastic high-tech uke is highly competitive. Desafinado, but